Mechanics will charge you good amount of dollars in order to take out and install the door panel back, but after watching this video, you can do the same process by yourself. Right where the master window switch is, underneath there's a cover that we have to pull out. We'll be using a trim remover tool like this and pull out that cover. Behind the cover there's a screw that we will be taking out using a Phillips screwdriver. There it is, the first screw is taken out just like that. Now I'll be using a tool like this, but you can use any trim remover tool. We'll punch in the tool in that corner and then pull out this cover as well. And there's the cover taken out. Underneath the door, notice there's that spot right there. I'll punch in the same trim remover tool and then pull out the door panel from the underneath. This position is firm, so you may need to pull a little bit harder to take it out. And just like that, we got the underneath part pulled out. Similar way, we need to pull out the door panel from both right and left side. Once all the corners of door panel are pulled out, then we will grab the door and then pull it upwards until it's completely taken down. There it is, the door panel is pulled out. This is how the door panel looks like from behind, and we need to take out this plug right there. Plug has a tab right here. Press and hold that tab and then pull out the plug. There we got the plug taken out. Again, just to show you guys, this is that tab that I was talking about. Press and hold that tab and then pull the plug outwards. After that, we will take out this harness that's attached with the inner door handle. We grab it from here and then gently pull it outwards. And there it pops out just like that. After this, the final plug to be taken out is for the master window switch, which is right there. Now, in order to show you guys properly, I would have to tilt the door panel itself so that you can see the plug and how to take it out. That is how the plug looks like from behind. You would notice there is a tab right here. Press and hold that tab and then pull the plug outwards. Plug is out. Just to show you guys one more time, this is that tab that I was talking about. Press and hold that tab and then pull the plug out. Once that final plug is out, with that we are done taking out the door panel completely. Now suppose you want to put back the door panel. Notice the door panel has some clips like this green color that I'm pointing out right there. In some cases, if you're taking out the door panel, you would notice some clips will be missing. Just like this, 2 clips are missing at the bottom. And there's one more clip missing in the middle. One more missing clip at the top. Those missing clips sometimes are actually on the door itself. One is right here, and you would see there are 2 more right at the bottom. The 4th one came out at the very beginning of the process, which I will be installing on the door panel itself. Here I'm using a clip remover tool to pull out that clip. First clip is out. Similar way, we'll take out 2 more clips. Now we need to put back those clips in the missing spot. After that, we'll jump on installing the door panel back. The very first plug we will punch in is for the master window switch. Make sure the door panel is tilted and then you install the plug with the tab side keeping on the top. Once in position, then we press the plug down until we hear a clicking sound. First plug is in, also not coming out. Now we punch in the harness for the inner door handle. The circled bigger piece needs to go in that spot right there, just like that. Once it goes in, then we punch in the black piece in that spot. You would need to press it down until it goes completely in. Now we install the white color plug. Make sure the tab side is towards the door panel itself, and then we slide in the plug until we hear a clicking sound. Just like that, the plug is in, also not coming out. We are done from this part. Now we will go at the front, grab the door panel and then place the top portion first. Once the top part is sitting there properly, then we will press it down multiple times until it goes completely in. After this, we just need to push the door panel from all over the corners. We are pushing the door panel because we need to make sure the green color clips go completely inside the door. Just like that, all the corners of the door panel are completely in position. Now we punch in this cover. Notice behind it has some tabs. One tab right here, second tab, and then the third. So all these 3 tabs are supposed to go. One right here, second one right there, and the third one right here. We'll carefully go ahead and punch in the cover, keeping in mind all those 3 positions. Then we press it down until it goes completely in. Cover is completely in. The final thing would be to punch in the screw which is right besides the master window switch. Screw is in and then we close the cover. With that, we are done with the replacement of door panel completely. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools used for this takeout.